Welcome to the Hotel Rio Palace, Jamaica. This is an adult-only, all-inclusive in the Montego Bay area. This is a room tour of their junior suite garden view room. You have your walk-in shower and your double sink in the room. You also have a hydro massage bathtub. The room will come with either 2 double beds or 1 king-size bed. You have Wi-Fi included, satellite TV, beverage dispenser of your favorite alcohol brands, a mini refrigerator, as well as a coffee maker. You have a table for 2 and a love seat. All the rooms have balconies, and this is a garden view room. So when you're ready to book that next trip to any Hotel Rio Palace or the Hotel Rio Palace in Jamaica, please call the experts at A Premier Travel Agency.